Most kids make baking soda volcanoes, but I think I'm going to take it to the next level. I'm going to use a chemical reaction to blow up this balloon. So I filled it up with baking soda, and I filled this bottle up with, well, not very much, but I put some vinegar in it. So let's do this. Okay, so wait for it. The chemical reaction allowed it to blow up. Not too shabby. This experiment was a huge success.